Hi guys, how to use Google Lens on your Windows like laptop or desktop. So let's start with the video. Guys, before we start, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. So let me open the Chrome browser. So guys, I am on my Chrome browser. So first thing we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So I can check it, just click on this three dot icon. Go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see your Chrome browser up to date or not. So if it is not up to date, then it will start automatically updating. And after update, you have to just relaunch it. After relaunch, come to the Google and you can search your Google Lens, okay? So this first option, this is the official Google Lens. You can see, you can go to the Google Lens, you can click on it, and you can go to the Google Lens. So this is all Google. This is for app, this is for a camera, and this is a Google photo. Okay, so here only they shows that they have Google app. They have Google Camera, Google Photos. You can use Google Lens, but if you want to use in Google Lens in window, then just open the browser and come to the image, and under the image search, you can see this icon, image icon, and you can see this is the Google Lens. And we are going to search with the any image, or if you have any link of image, you can use it. I will show you one by one. So first, if you want to search by image, just go to the upload files. I just upload it. So it will be upload and search. It will be searched similar pro images. You can see it will be searched with the similar images. This is my photo, and it will be show me. It show me the similar images. Okay, so this is features very useful if you want to search any product or any things with image, that it will be very helpful to find out this product easily on Google search. So that is how you can use the Google Lens in Windows. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.